To import the Rocket Money Android app, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure your device allows installations from unknown sources by going to Settings. Then Security. And finally toggle on the option to allow installations from unknown sources. Next, download the Rocket Money APK file from a trusted source. You can do this by searching for the Rocket Money APK online and selecting a reputable website to download from. Once the download is complete, navigate to the Downloads folder on your device and locate the Rocket Money APK file. Tap on the APK file to initiate the installation process. You will be prompted to review the permissions required by the app, such as access to your location and contacts. Review the permissions carefully and tap Install to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Rocket Money app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process, which may include verifying your email address and setting up a password. Once you have logged in, you can start using the Rocket Money app to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. The app allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to get a comprehensive view of your financial situation. You can also set budgets, receive bill reminders, and get alerts when you go over budget. To get the most out of the Rocket Money app, take some time to explore its features and customize the settings to suit your needs. You can also refer to the app's support page for troubleshooting and FAQs. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import and use the Rocket Money Android app to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals.